For today's makeup tutorial, I have this makeup look for you, which is a makeup look that I always create when I don't know exactly what kind of lipstick I want to wear, what kind of color. So I know this looks good with any lip color, almost. And to showcase this, I also partnered with Deck of Scarlet for this video to swatch for you the new liquid lipsticks from Deck of Scarlet. And you can see you have all these gorgeous shades. I mentioned Deck of Scarlet before on my YouTube channel, and as you already know, it's a makeup line and a beauty subscription. The brand is really well known for their full face makeup palettes that are in collaboration with different YouTubers. Now they've curated trend kits, so there will be something new each month for everyone. And what's exciting here is that Deck of Scarlet will be starting this year a monthly subscription. So that means that they will create lots of new stuff, lots of new kits. So there will be something new to try every month. And if you already signed, or if you want to sign, you have a preview of, you know, all the new boxes, all the new kits. For this price you get such an amazing quality and these just amazing palettes and kits that you will use in your everyday life, and the price is $29.99. Deck of Scarlet has released 6 new liquid lipsticks, 3 of which are included in a curated kit that you will receive in February if you are already a subscriber, and the 3 shades that are included in the kit are Moody Mauve, Brunch Babe and Siren. These matte velvet liquid lipsticks are just super saturated with pigment. As you can see, you just need one layer to have that intense pigmentation, and once they dry they won't smudge or feather throughout the day, and they have just that really nice golden creamy formula, so they glide on effortlessly in the beginning, and then once they dry down you will have that really lightweight finish and really soft lips. Deck of Scarlet is also cruelty free and paraben free.